Imagine replacing ChatGPT, Canva, MidJourney, ClickFunnels, ElevenLabs, and over 20 other expensive AI tools with one single dashboard you own for life. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. That's exactly what Ultimate AI Bundle delivers. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why it's blowing up right now. Honestly, if you use even 2 of the tools that Ultimate AI replaces, it pays for itself in weeks. You're getting 25+ premium AI features, video creation, voice cloning, image design, content writing, website building, AI agents, all in one place for a one-time price. It's the kind of deal you see once and regret missing forever. Ultimate AI is a cloud-based platform designed for marketers, freelancers, content creators, and agencies who want to save time, cut costs, and boost productivity. With this bundle, you can create faceless videos, podcasts, and reels in minutes, generate ultra-realistic voiceovers, or even clone your own voice, build high-converting websites and funnels from scratch, write blogs, ads, and social posts instantly, design pro-level graphics without hiring a designer. And you don't need to juggle multiple logins or pay 10+ monthly subscriptions. It's all here. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left menu, you have categories like Video AI, Image AI, Content AI, Voice AI, Website Builder, and AI agents. Let's say you want a YouTube video. Click Video AI, choose a template, add your script, or let the AI write it, pick a voice, and hit Generate. Boom! Your video is ready in under 60 seconds. Need a website? Select Website Builder, choose from conversion-focused templates, tweak the text and images, and publish. Every feature is designed to be beginner-friendly but powerful enough for pros. If you grab the Ultimate AI Bundle, you get everything.
Hey there. Quick question. What if you could unlock the power of 25+ premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skills, no limits. Welcome to Ultimate AI Unlimited Edition, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built that gives you the superpowers of an entire team at a one-time price. Right like ChatGPT, launch full-blown AI video podcasts and babyface shows designed like Canva and MidJourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo, and Premiere Pro. Clone voices like ElevenLabs. Replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yep, all of it, in one platform, with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice-to-have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer out there. But until now, you had 2 choices. Pay $500 to $1,000 a month, stacking 10+ tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With Ultimate AI Unlimited, you get it all, without limits. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited videos, images, content, websites, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000+ per year instantly. No subscriptions, no upgrades, no bullshit. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business. And it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create. A video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. We're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, VSL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100+ languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with free hosting, 75+ AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, search engine optimization, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no one basic plan here. This is the Ultimate Edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited, no caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero-level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, Build websites and stores for clients. Offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook. Run a full-blown marketing agency. Or just automate your side hustle with smart tools. Ultimate AI puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had, and you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below, grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, MidJourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10+ platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without mic, cam, or crew. You're backed by a 30-day guarantee. No risk, no catch. Just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is Ultimate AI. Click now, unlock it all, and dominate the future before the future dominates you. See you inside where innovation meets imagination.
Front end, commercial license, $37 value. OTO 1, unlimited. Remove all limits, $197 value. OTO 2, done for you, ready-made sites and campaigns, $97 value. OTO 3, agency license, sell AI services to clients, $97 value. Individually, that's over $400, but the bundle gives you the lot for just $317 one time. When you use the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus pack worth over $3,000 free. Here's what you're getting. AI Video Marketing Mastery. Learn to dominate YouTube and TikTok with AI videos. 365 viral content prompts. Never run out of post ideas again. Canva Pro Template Pack. 200+ ready-made designs for ads, posts, and stories. AI Copywriting Secrets. Write sales copy that converts like crazy. Traffic Explosion Blueprint. Drive free traffic from social and search. Voice Cloning Secrets. Step-by-step guide to professional-sounding AI voices. DFY Affiliate Funnel. Plug-and-play funnel ready to start making commissions. 50 DFY blog articles. SEO optimized, ready to publish. Client outreach scripts. Land high-paying AI service clients. Ultimate AI Tools Rolodex. A private list of the best AI tools to combine with this bundle. Remember, these bonuses vanish in 48 hours or once the first 25 buyers grab them. If you want to save thousands in monthly fees, create content faster, and unlock 25+ premium AI tools for life, Ultimate AI Bundle is a no-brainer. But this lifetime offer will disappear fast. Once it's gone forever. Click the first link in the description now, grab your bundle, and lock in your bonuses before the countdown hits 0. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart marketing tools, and check the description for your exclusive Ultimate AI bonus pack. See you inside.